are feasting this Saturday morning.
Some microwavable bacon.
I did the fruit, Dylan's doing the eggs and the toast and the bacon. Oh, that's probably good.
Oh. Might be.
It's okay. Okay, so we're gonna go for a little walk. I just got ready a little bit just because I feel good, and I might take a picture while we're on a walk. So we're gonna go for a walk, enjoy the sunshine while it's out. I think it's still a little cold, so I have a jacket, but yeah, I'm excited. We're getting ready to do the podcast, but my mom just texted me and said, OMG, have you checked your mailbox? You apparently can't get packages delivered to you, and I don't know what that means, so I'm gonna go check the mailbox. Because last time it meant that she sent us something. So did she try to send us another thing and didn't come? I like how I'm like, we're both going to get a slip probably. Didn't? Why can't they deliver packages?
Got a slip.
What the heck? What does it say?
Item sent by QVC.
She got us something else. Hi guys, we just finished the podcast. Dylan has my blue eyed glasses on. I think they're so cute. Have you looked at yourself?
No, I haven't.
You look nerdy. I like it. So I'm gonna edit the podcast right now. What time is it? Oh my gosh, it's almost 3 o'clock.
I know.
Holy crap.
Holy crap.
We're getting takeout tonight.
Oh, that's right. I totally forgot.
Do you want me to,
Start looking into
can you like order on Greenleaf's online? Like, can you do it, like I know on some you can do it, like order it for the time that you want it to be ready.
If you want to take a look.
Okay, I'll look online.
My wallet's right there.
Okay. Love you.
Love you.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit the podcast, which I can look into that while I do that, because I literally just have to press play and listen to it, and then if I hear something funky, I just edit it quick and then go back to do what I was doing, which is my favorite part of editing podcasts, because you can multitask. So yeah, we just recorded a podcast about Easter, so go listen to that Wednesday. I don't know when this vlog is gonna go up because I'm kind of behind, but go listen to that. I hope you had a great Easter. Tomorrow's Easter for us, and today's kind of like our fake Easter because Dylan has to work tomorrow. It's not actually, but we had like breakfast kind of like we were going to tomorrow, so that was kind of like our Easter brunch, but we're still gonna have Easter brunch for dinner tomorrow. Really, I just bought cinnamon rolls and I'm gonna make them, but it's gonna be, and I bought like fruit and we were gonna do eggs, but now we're gonna do omelets, fruit and cinnamon rolls shaped like bunnies. So yeah, that's what's going on. I had something else to say, I don't know what it was. So yeah, I'm gonna edit the podcast. I have my little salsa. We got these this week and I love it because like right now is one of those times where I'm not actually hungry. I'm literally just bored, and this is different than just like sitting here drinking water, and I'm not gonna eat because I'm not actually hungry, so I'm just gonna drink my seltzer. Cheers. Hi guys, I'm up in my bathroom now because Bryn just brought me my Christmas gift because I haven't seen her and like it got all messed up and like whatever. So she just brought it to me, and oh my goodness, I could do an entire look right now. I love, she got me a little, I think it's eyeshadow and blush. Are those eyeshadows? I don't know, but it's wicked cute. She got me new brushes, which I needed. Is this a setting spray? Yes. Setting spray, a primer, a lip gloss, another lip gloss, an eyeliner, a blush, this mascara, which is really interesting. I just asked her if she has it. It's a liquid lash extension mascara, and it looks sweet. I'm really excited to try all these. I'm gonna put them away on my little makeup vanity. She also got me this, which I just put out the other day because it's like smells and my mom hates smells, so I couldn't have it at my house, but I just brought it out and it's so cute. It's one of those roses that like lasts a year. So yeah, I'm gonna put these all away. I haven't gotten a chance to edit the podcast yet just because like she came over and we were chatting in the doorway 6 feet apart. But yeah, I'm gonna put these all away and throw that away. And I think we're gonna order food soon. We're headed out to go pick up the food. Oh my gosh, the kitty was right there. It scared me. We ordered it. Unfortunately, two of the Chinese places that we were gonna get Dylan's food from are both closed. So I think a lot more businesses are starting to like close, which kind of stinks even for like takeout. But we ordered from two different places because I wanted Thai and he wanted Chinese. So we're gonna go get them, go back and eat, and then we have a Zoom call. This is probably gonna fly, so. We kind of look like we're matching. Hi guys, I meant to vlog when we got home, but we literally just like dug into our food. We were so hungry. I'm wearing this bright green top because I wanted to get a picture like on the couch with like my White Claw or something and do like a caption like Saturday nights are looking a little different these days, or like big Saturday night. I don't know. I just want to do like something funny like that. So I just put this on, but now I'm freezing. So I have my sweatshirt because we're gonna jump on a Zoom soon with our friends. I'm gonna grab a White Claw. This is the only White Claw flavor I really like. It's the raspberry. I hate the mango. Sorry, but I do. I do not like black cherry. I think it's gross. The grapefruit's okay, I'll drink that. And then the new like tropical ones, like the watermelon, lemon, what is it, tangerine. There's one other. Oh, the mango's in that. I liked the watermelon. I think the tangerine and the lime were good, or the lemon were good. I don't know, I didn't really have any of those. Dylan got those when we were in Florida. But yeah, I just want to take a pic. And we're gonna hop on. So that's pretty much all we're gonna be doing for the rest of the night. I might get like a Zoom clip or something, but I will pick the vlog back up tomorrow because I am doing a weekend vlog and tomorrow's Easter. So yeah, I have like little candies and like little tiny baskets. They're not really baskets, they're more like buckets for Dylan and I for Easter tomorrow because my mom always decorated the table, like the dining room table when we were growing up, and still does, for holidays. So I got like that and like some Starbursts, and I got him like Tootsie Rolls, and I got Reese's eggs, I think. And then we have some Cadbury eggs left over, and like we have like the eggs that have been on the dining room table, so I'll set that up. I think I'm gonna do it like for when he gets home from work tomorrow because I'm not gonna stay up later than him to set it all up tonight. So, or maybe I will, I don't know, it depends. But I hope you guys are enjoying today's vlog, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey, hi guys. Dylan ended up going to bed early, so I'm gonna set up the Easter table now. I have all my stuff that I bought, and let's set it up. We have this, here, let me move my phone. We have this little egg thing. I'll put that there and then like set up the rest right here maybe. Okay, my camera's dying. And then I'm gonna put that right there. And then this is our cute little Easter table. Is that cute? Obviously on my phone. It's small, but it's cute. Hopefully ants don't come and like eat all of these. That would be so bad.